Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a traditional pie de queso. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. And to the bottom of our oven, we're going to be placing our baking dish filled halfway with water. This is just going to create steam so that the top of our pie doesn't crack. Okay, now to the blender cup, add the galletas Marias or graham crackers, along with the sugar and cinnamon. And now just pulverize it. Okay, so once we have that, now we can take it to our springform pan. Alright, so here I have my springform pan lightly greased and lined with parchment paper. We're just going to add our pulverized cookies. And to that we're going to mix in our melted butter. So just make sure to combine it completely. And you just want your cookie crumbs to feel like wet sand. So once we have it, now we can begin to press it down. And you want this to go to the sides of the walls of your pan. Just use something flat and begin to press it down and just guide it to the sides. Alright, so now once we have it, we're going to place it in the oven and just leave it in there until we're done making our mixture. Okay, now for our mixture, we're going to take it back to the blender and add our evaporated milk, condensed milk, our 2 blocks of cream cheese. Make sure that they are at room temperature, along with the vanilla blend, salt, and the juice of half a lime. But once we have that, we're just going to be blending on low speed until everything is nice and combined. Okay, once everything is well blended, we're going to be adding 1 egg at a time, and just make sure that you're continuing blending on low speed. Alright, so once our eggs are blended in, we have our mixture, so now we can pour it over our crust. And just make sure you put your pan over a baking sheet. Now just pour the mixture. Make sure to use a spatula so like that it doesn't mess up the crust. And just slowly pour. Just make sure to pop any bubbles. Once we have it, we're going to take it to our oven and allow it to bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Alright guys, so after 1 hour and 20 minutes, our pie should be done. So now we're just going to open the door for our oven and allow it to cool down for about 30 minutes. And once done, we're just going to remove it from the oven and allow it to cool down completely. So like that we can put it in the refrigerator overnight or for at least 2 hours. Alright guys, so after at least 2 hours, our pie de queso should be done. So now we can get ready to get it out of the pan. So just attach it. Okay, so now we can get ready to cut into it. Just like that. And you can always decorate it here. Just top it with all of your favorite toppings. But just like that, our delicious pie de queso is done. So now we can get ready to serve. And I'm just going to be topping it with some strawberry glaze and garnishing it with some fresh strawberries, raspberry, and a blueberry, just like that. So now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This dessert is seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious. You know, the hardest part is just waiting, but let me tell you that it's seriously so worth it. And of course, you know, this is very similar to your classic cheesecake. The only difference is that here we added the condensed milk, the evaporated milk, which makes it more rich and creamy. But let me tell you that it's honestly the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. I am ready. Cheers and enjoy. Perfect every single time. And it's seriously super hard to mess up. And you can always top it with your favorite toppings. You can add the caramel, Nutella, nuts, anything. Or just keep it very simple. Alright Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious pie de queso. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.